Okay, may tuturo kasi yung shortcut and I hope you like it. What percent of 40 is 28? Okay, so ganito po yung gawin ninyo. Pag nakita nyo yung word na off at itong number, ilagay ninyo sa denominator. At pag nakita nyo naman yung word na is, at itong number, ilagay ninyo sa numerator. Since percentage yung hinahanap, per 100, multiply lang po natin by 100. So, yan na po yung equation natin. Dito, pwede na po kayong mag-cancel out. Cancel natin itong isang 0. 28 divided by 4 is 7. 7 times 10 is 70. So, the answer here is letter A, 70%. I hope you got this one and follow for more tips and tutorials.